This is Muhammad Anwar. I teach English subject, especially English literature. I have done my BS in English literature. I have been teaching since 2018 in various institutes from class 7th to 10th. Today I am going to tell you about subject English literature and what things are included in this subject and how it's different from other subjects and what type of techniques is need to be study English literature. First of all, we have different aspects of subject uh, like drama, poetry, literary terms, fiction, and literary reviews. Actually, in this lecture, we have short introduction of English literature, and we will discuss many things in coming lectures. So, in this lecture, actually, this lecture is based on introduction of the subject. So, once you understand this subject and its nature, you will understand the coming lectures or the more briefly what we will talk about other aspects. So in drama we have several writers in English literature, like writers, their work and their life. The most important thing that there are two things: fiction and drama. And what's different between those fiction and drama? Drama is a thing, is a piece of writing which is mostly performed on a stage, and fiction means novels, short stories, that's mostly read. So in drama we have renowned writer William Shakespeare, and his work is studied throughout the world. And second one is Christopher Marlowe. Christopher Marlowe is also contemporary playwright of Shakespeare, and they were the same. They belong from the same age. So in drama, we will study that how it is formed and what kind of dramas in English literature, and what is the what was the technique of William Shakespeare in writing of drama, and what was the technique of Christopher Marlowe, and how they were similar to each other, and how they were, and how many things are different to each other. And most importantly, we will talk about their age, and it was Renaissance age, the rebirth of revival of writing, revival of education. And second one is poetry. Poetry is another aspect of literature, another aspect. We will discuss about poets, their work, their age. And we have in literature a renowned poet, Geoffrey Chaucer. The third one, literary terms. Literary terms, again, it's a very important aspect of English literature. And once you know about literary terms, you will understand the all English literature, because mostly works, and I think all of works on based on literary terms, because there are several tools that is used by writers while writing and while producing their work, like imagery, irony, and many other literary terms. Fiction, another very important thing in literature. And in fiction we have two things, we have two different things. One is novel. Novel is somehow is long, and as compared to short stories. Short stories is times called novella. Short stories is quite short from novel, but novel is long piece, and it has many character. It has many scenarios. Short stories are quite short, and short stories have one theme, one story. In fiction, we have a novel. Uh, in fiction, we have novel which has many themes, which has many directions. The fifth one, literary reviews. Literary reviews, something that writers, today's writers are in past, they uh, review those literary works that were done by other writers in past, like 14th century writers, Geoffrey Chaucer and other many writers, and in Renaissance, in Shakespeare and Christopher Marlowe. So those works are reviewed by current writers, are in past and written many things, and criticize their criticize their writing, or and try to evaluate their work, and they try to bring new things about their work, that what actually they wanted to tell people about their work, about their age. So literary reviews are very important in English literature. So this is all about my today's lecture, and I wanted to tell you that what is the English literature basically, and what type of things are included in English, this subject. So I hope you people will understand and learn many things of this lecture. And as I told you in beginning, that it's a uh, introductory lecture. So as we go ahead, so we will know about we will I will tell you about briefly about these all aspects, these all things which are included in this subject. So in the end, I thank you to all, and please share this video and give your reviews about this lecture. Thank you so much.